When we get to the heart chakra, we are halfway through the chakra system, the fourth chakra in a system of 7. So the heart actually serves as, let's say, a bridge between the lower 3 chakras and the upper 3 chakras. Let's go ahead, place our hands directly over the sternum. Many people like to have their hands up a little bit higher if that's more comfortable for you. Myself, I like it right at the sternum. Always feels right for me. As you can see from the physical gesture, it looks almost like I'm hugging myself. And this makes sense because the heart is concerned with love. I often refer to the heart chakra as the social chakra. It concerns all of our social relationships. This includes relationships with our family and friends, with strangers, and our relationship with ourselves. The heart chakra develops between the ages of 4 and 7. This is when, as a child, we start becoming more concerned about other people's feelings. If somebody is sick, we feel for them. If somebody needs our help, we reach out to assist them. Remember, the lower chakra, it was all about me. But by the age of 4, when the heart chakra begins developing, we have a concern for others. All living beings come within the realm of our concern. We often talk about opening the chakras, and people say, well, I want my Reiki master to open the chakra for me. That's okay, but I feel it's much more sustainable if you open your heart chakra, all of your chakras, by yourself, through your own efforts, by forgiving people, for example, apologizing to people as needed, taking good care of yourself, loving yourself, having compassion for other people, other living beings who are weaker than you or have less opportunity than you. By adjusting those types of attitudes and behaviors, we're actually opening the heart chakra. We do it naturally through our own efforts. Many people come to Reiki looking for the sensations of Reiki. They want their hands to be hot. They want waves of energy flowing. There's nothing wrong with those things, but they simply are not the core of a spiritual healing practice. They are merely the phenomena that occur. Much more important, as I've been saying for a long time, is the quality of our life. Specifically, here at the heart, we're talking about the quality of our relationships. As we learn to forgive and to apologize and to accept, our heart matures. It's opening. As we begin changing our eating behaviors, we realize that if we eat a piece of chicken or a piece of pork, then some animal somewhere has suffered. We start seeing the relationship between what we eat and the suffering that occurs somewhere on the other side of the country. And we begin changing our eating behavior because our compassion is taking in more and more beings. This is the wide opening of the heart. In modern society, we often think about love in terms of romantic love. And that's fine. That's an important stage of our life. Love goes much deeper, much wider. The Reiki principle state, I will be kind to all beings. This includes our earth itself. So you can see as we work with meditation, Reiki, taking care of ourselves, our intellect also begins evolving. We realize we have a relationship not only with our brothers and sisters and our partners, but with the planet itself. Continue healing here at the heart for as long as you're comfortable. And then in our next video, we will move forward to healing of the throat chakra.